Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna take it easy. That was a good glizzy though.
Niggas gonna stand up today.
Yeah. Man,
Are you? Are you? I need to get you on camera.
I want one of those.
Oh my mom. It's been cold in this water.
God is good.
All the time.
I was just sitting at home one day.
Let's try this TikTok
the
grill.
new owners, they called me and was like,
There we go. Maybe, hold on. I don't want the table to melt.
Oh, true. Yeah.
so sales, do you track everything? But
We done walked in that too. I don't know what the fuck going on.
all right, genius. I'm gonna just lower the chair.
And American black people don't know how to do.
Bam!
Africans know how to do. Black people in America, we be like, we don't know how to swim.
right.
Africans be like, we started.
Hey, we in business now.
I like that. I was just about to
All
help
right,
you out.
get the
This is a good
aluminum foil.
law.
Kenny, use the stick for that.
I'm so happy.
Put it down a little bit.
What? Put this down?
Yeah, there you go. Okay, now we cooking. I don't know what the hell is
You know the boys get
Hey,
together when a
I'm
nigga
about
find a
to,
good
hey, hold this
stick.
joint up. Well, I'm about to wet this joint.
Hold on.
I got Bet.
So wet sticks don't burn?
Yeah, they,
Nah, it's wet.
when niggas try to gather fire, they gotta gather the driest stick. If it's
Hey,
moist,
we
it's
roughing
good.
it. We roughing it.
You know the boys get together. I found a good
Yes,
stick.
sir. Oh, shit.
I'm happy. Black boy joy.
Let's go. Let's get it. Got that charcoal going, baby. Nice and smoky.
Unheard of now? Yeah. I just put my hand over it.
Yes, sir. Official TikTok grill.
Dang.
He said it's hot. Yes, sir. Don't burn yourself. They're back. They're back.
Niggas
He
dead.
said y'all allowed to start a fire. You a part of y'all. I don't get this whole y'all.
Alright.
There's 3 of us here.
Well, we
And
gotta start a fire. I gotta save our life. Let me see. Let me throw that shit, y'all.
Finally got the Zub board with the footholes.
That is the most rudimentary drill. Oh shit.
Back to basics.
I didn't realize that that's all we were doing. You found it on TikTok. That's hilarious. What is it? It looks, I mean, it looks like it will.
It's hot. You don't feel it right there?
I didn't get it. Let's see.
It's hot, right?
Add some more, dog.
Closer.
Yeah.
I would add more.
That's it.
I can.
Longevity, right?
I just don't want to waste them all.
Glizzy's on.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Full bags.
All right,
I'm ready.
get that mayo ready.
Come on.
Yes, sir. Oh, damn. Look at this joint. Woo!
Yeah, dog. That shit hot.
Glizzy time.
All these joints already cooked. You said you got more? Come on, I'm gonna make this face.
And look, I got this chicken too. You can put the mayo on that.
I just want the mayo. I don't want the.
I'm looking at that mayo. I was having a funny.
I really don't care. I just need something on the bun.
Y'all ever seen that? Like all butts, like just chilling with Shaquille. It was Shaquille. I think I said like Busta Rhymes. Like, damn, I don't even know the third one. The third one, that'd be hard. And Andre 3000 smoked. I was smoking.
That ain't gonna be too chill for
Play
me.
the flute, man.
You play that flute. What's it looking like? What's the presentation
A
giving?
10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cat, let's get it.
Taste test. What's it talking about?
No, this one's good.
It's good? Okay then. Hey, we're in business.
Fire, no bull.
We in business. Grilling with the squad in Lake Anna.
Oh, James said it worked.
You don't bring a grill.
Official.
It's HUD certified.
Certified.
He from the land.
Hey, what's good? What's good with a trip back to the motherland? What's that?
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. You gonna get some?
Yeah, but
TikTok.
it's like. What happened?
James said to start it, so I started it.
He said that. I was like, it's 10:30. What are we doing here?
He knew it was gonna start.
We're having brunch on the beach.
That's, I guess so.
Glizzy brunch.
Glizzy brunch.
Let's go get up. We're not getting up today.
Oh, slow down. I'm about to throw up.
That boy's stinking.
Still warm. It must be a lot of pee.
That's your
A lot of pee in this.
That dum, 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 dum.
No way! Hey, a bird to get that joint.
Hell yeah.
That nigga ain't.
Bird eating birds.
Jalen.
Smell that.
Go ahead.
Hey, nah, throw it away, bro.
It is thrown away.
Nah, the trash is right here.
Why? It's
Food, it's food.
That's bird.
A bird will get that.
Are you spending the night here?
What, do fish eat chicken?
Yeah.
No, they don't.
You got swag, dog.
Why not?
He's about to put a raw piece of meat in the fucking lake.
Maybe like barracudas or like or piranhas.
Ain't no piranhas.
Piranhas eat meat.
Yeah, but piranhas are not here.
You said fish.
Yeah, but they.
You didn't specify.
He tried to put the chicken in
Okay,
here.
nah, not in here. Is it still on? TikTok grill is success. I think it is. Glizzy with the mayo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that a Mexican thing or? Pero sí. You put the chicken on the
Hell no.
Oh. You said hell no, like it's
You don't got mayonnaise.
like it's not mayo already on there.
Where's the here? I know. I want a super burnt one.
It's a glizzy party.
We gonna try the ghost pepper ketchup, yo.
Melinda.
This ghost pepper ketchup. I like it because there's no high fructose corn.
Okay.
As long as
Healthy.
it's that, I'm good. Which part should I put it on? The burnt part or the juicy part?
I think you should put the whole piece of chicken in your mouth.
Oh my god.
Oh God.
Is that enough?
I think you need more. I think you need some more, Kitty.
Oh, nah.
You need a whole dab. Okay. Because I really don't know. So we go see.
Here we go.
Woo!
What y'all seen this on YouTube or something?
No, I don't know where my mom bought that damn ketchup from. Gotta let it settle in your mouth. What's it giving, Kenny? It's hot. Okay. You gotta put it on your whole piece.
Hold on, let me wait.
We're gonna give him a minute.
You said the ghost pepper was good.
That thing was bad. I don't know what they talking about. I don't know if it's like a big, maybe it's not even a big thing about it.
I don't know. Maybe you didn't get enough.
So
You put some on there?
I'll put them on.
You gotta.
Let me see them.
That was a healthy dose.
Yeah.
Pause that. It wasn't even hot.
I know you had one. You had one.
Glizzy's on the water, baby.
Yes, sir.
Damn, we burnt the table. It's all good.
Something had to take an L.
You're right.
Okay.
We going as fast as we can. I wasted all my money on these. Hey, he gonna eat them. You're gross. Oh man! Oh my god! I'm about to throw up. I'm about to throw up. I don't give a shit. What's else? Loose glizzies. A little bit of beer, you bitches. It's loose glizzies and bread and. Man, turn the camera off. Turn the camera off.
I done seen y'all niggas at ODU. I ain't gonna put y'all out there, but I done seen y'all there, okay? Go eat it. Alright? We not even gonna. Yeah.
What's up on the There's sand all in that bag too.
Bro, what's up on the
Threw the whole glizzy pack out, man. Y'all are tripping. Man, get off my glizzy, dog. Who did that? That had to be Matt.
I watched it.
I put it in the container,
and then the
I
container
tucked
was
it
in
under
a
the
bag.
seat, and then y'all started throwing trash in the shit.
They threw all the glizzies away, so I gotta eat a Chick-fil-A biscuit.
I'm throwing up. This nigga is disgusting.
That's what you need.
We got wet.